The Radar, sponsored by bankruptcy attorney E. Orem Young. Now, your local weather with meteorologist Brian Briggs.
Well, good Sunday evening to you. Hopefully you were able to have a wonderful day today. Weather-wise, not bad. A little bit more warm and humid, though, than the last few days that we've seen. Certainly going to be the last day that we see this heat and humidity across the ArkLaMiss for a little while. Details to come on that for a little bit, but for right now, we're seeing temperatures generally in the middle to upper 80s across the area, and the humidity is also increasing, too, out ahead of our cold front, which is getting closer to us even as we speak. You can see that temperatures are starting to drop as north and west, or at least close to us as Tulsa. They're starting to see 76, and you're seeing those cooler yellows and greens on your screen here too, but generally it's been very hot and humid for much of the Mid-South today. But this, as mentioned, will be changing fairly soon as this cold front is on the way. As far as showers and thunderstorms, that's going to be another thing that we have to keep an eye out on with this cold front. And you're seeing some activity starting to develop now, but right now in the ArkLaMiss, though, things are quiet, and that's because, well, the atmosphere ahead of this cold front is currently capped. So live storm tracker Doppler radar not showing anything, but it will start to show activity as we head very late tonight and into our Monday morning here. So what can we expect to see, at least in the short term, is those clouds going to be on the increase as we go through the night tonight, and those winds will start to pick up out of the southeast and south at times too. So it will be breezy with this cold front. Again, you can see that line of showers and thunderstorms moving through, and generally we're not expecting severe weather, or at least widespread severe weather with this frontal passage here, but some storms could be on the strong side. Heavy rain, times of thunder and lightning, and some gusty winds can be expected. But once this moves out of our area, then we'll be left with clearing conditions and much cooler conditions as that cool and dry air eventually filters into our area. So here it is. It's going to be very warm and muggy after we get to the midnight hour tonight, but we'll start to see the cooler air coming in just after that, mainly for areas in southern Arkansas with that front. And then as we hit the morning commute tomorrow, you can see that the cooler air will be getting into the I-20 corridor. And then by the time we hit Monday afternoon, that's when all of us will be getting in on this cooler air. And it's not going anywhere, folks. It's going to be sticking around for a little while. So yes, you're seeing this right. Some folks in southern Arkansas could be in the 40s by the time we get to Tuesday morning. More like the lower to middle 50s along the I-20 corridor, and middle to upper 50s the further south you go. So otherwise, it's going to be very, very nice temperature-wise here as we head into next week, so enjoy it, as it looks like it's going to be really not going anywhere for much time. So tonight, though, we'll be dropping down to 63 degrees. Again, those showers and thunderstorms mainly forming after about 4 o'clock. We'll see temperatures getting into the middle 70s tomorrow, so all in all, very, very nice conditions can be expected once those showers and thunderstorms eventually clear out of our area. So 7-day forecast reflects this. Look at all that sunshine that we have to look forward to for the week as well. So downright beautiful conditions. Yes, there will be a little bit of fluctuation with some of those high temperatures during the week, but generally we'll be staying in the 70s, maybe an 80 on Wednesday, or Thursday, I should say, but all in all, fairly nice. Hunter?
Thanks, Brian.